Welcome to the Wowfx Look and Learn prosthetic makeup demonstration. So nice to have you all here. I've been really looking forward to today. I've got multi-layered prosthetics that I've pre-painted in silicone, and I'll take you through step by step on product, application, technique, and some of my tricks and tips from the industry. A round of applause for our wonderful model. Thank you so much.